Hello, and welcome back to our Eat the Rainbow series. Today, we're diving into the sunny world of yellow foods. Get ready to discover how these vibrant fruits and vegetables can supercharge your health and add a burst of sunshine to your plate. Let's explore the amazing benefits of eating yellow. Yellow foods are nutritional powerhouses, packed with essential vitamins and antioxidants. Take vitamin C, for instance, abundant in lemons and yellow peppers. It's crucial for immune function and skin health. Then there are carotenoids, like beta-carotene, which give foods their beautiful yellow hue. These powerful antioxidants protect your cells from damage, support eye health, and can even reduce the risk of certain chronic diseases. Don't forget the fiber and water content in foods like bananas, which aid digestion and keep you hydrated. These nutrients work synergistically to promote overall well-being. Incorporating yellow foods into your diet can have a significant impact on your health, especially in combating metabolic diseases. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds found in these foods help reduce systemic inflammation, a key factor in conditions like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Furthermore, the fiber content helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing spikes and crashes, which is vital for metabolic health. By nourishing your body with these vibrant foods, you're actively working to maintain balance and prevent chronic illness. Let's shine a spotlight on some of our favorite yellow superstars. We have the zesty lemon, perfect for adding a bright flavor to any dish. Crunchy yellow peppers, great for snacking or stir fries. Sweet bananas, an excellent source of energy and potassium. Flavorful yellow onions, a staple in so many cuisines. Tropical pineapples, bursting with sweetness and digestive enzymes. Juicy yellow pears and crisp yellow apples, delightful and nutritious. And the exotic starfruit, a unique addition to any fruit salad. Each one offers a unique profile of nutrients and flavors. Ready to add more yellow to your meals? Here's a simple and delicious idea: a tropical banana pineapple smoothie. Just blend ripe bananas, fresh pineapple chunks, a splash of coconut water, and a squeeze of lemon juice until smooth. It's a refreshing and nutrient-packed way to start your day or enjoy a healthy snack. Quick, easy, and incredibly tasty. So, as you can see, yellow foods are more than just pretty to look at. They're vital for a healthy, balanced diet. From boosting your immune system to fighting inflammation and regulating blood sugar, the benefits are truly golden. We encourage you to embrace the sunny goodness of yellow foods and make them a regular part of your Eat the Rainbow journey. Don't forget to comment below with your favorite yellow foods. Subscribe for more healthy eating tips, and join us next time as we explore another color of the rainbow.